Hi, are you interested in learning how you can buy things from Alixpress and ship to Zambia? Well, I've got a full course teaching you everything you need to know when it comes to buying things from Alixpress and shipping to Zambia. So this course is only going for 50 kwacha, and you get to access the entire course. And you will not only learn about Alixpress, you're also going to learn about all these other marketplaces such as Alibaba, eBay, Amazon, and everything else you need to know. So the link is in the description, or contact me to get started.